Hi everyone, today we are going to explain a new activity. So, the topic for this activity is strategies and understanding unity. This activity, the theme for this activity is about inclusion and discrimination. So, the group size is any, it means it's up to you. You can choose how many people can work in this game. For the age could be 16 years old or maybe more. It's up to you. The grade of complexity is just 1, so it means it's so easy, and it will take us just 40 minutes for this game. The overview in this activity, people need to get in touch with each other and help to plan team strategies. The objectives for this activity is to share knowledge about strategies and to understand how they interconnect. So now we are going to show the materials. Material number 1 is a ball. We use a ball. Material number 2 is the participants. And number 3 is a watch. So we use a watch to look at the time. Now I'm going to explain the instructions. First, we have to ask people to stand in a circle. Second, one person will stand in the middle of the circle. The people must pass the ball to each other, except the one in the middle. They must also protect the ball from the person who is in the middle, if he wants to get the ball. They change place with the person in the middle if he is able to kick the ball from the last person holding or keeping the ball.